Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and I'm super excited to show you this house. It is very unique, very different, and quite an architectural masterpiece. So, welcome to 3069 Crest in the Miralest area of Palos Verdes. A little breezy today. Sorry about that, but that creates great weather. So there's a driveway that comes down off Crest Road into this area with our garage, a couple cars here. All right, red door. And then on in, wow, what a cool entrance. I love this lighting. This is gorgeous. When you come down, shazam. Wow, this is amazing. Look at that. What a unique and awesome architectural piece. This is just stunning and bodes right to the view. Really interesting style. Wow, that's beautiful. There's a lot of property here. As you can see, the pool down below. The deck, and a lot of port view as well. I love the beams and the way everything's exposed. This is beautiful. All right, so let's go back up. This is the main big living room. You got oak plank hardwood floors. You have an office here, unique style of architecture, but really well done. Wow, look at that. This is cool. Little sitting room, but a little area up in here. Put your stuff. A record player. I mean, this is all custom. That's so neat. Pretty unique. Very different. So we passed some stuff up here. Let's go back up to the top. So there's our front door going towards the kitchen. All right. I mean, a little wild in the style, but totally functional. Love the chop block island, and then the vault and the pot hangers and all that. This is great. Very functional kitchen. Comes through to dining up here, and this is the top floor. So this gives you great views here. There's a lot of room here. The patio on the other side of the garage. We got access and stairs going down. You can see Catalina at some point out there, I assume. And then this wraps back around to this area here, which we saw earlier. They have some neat architectural stuff. So let's go back through the kitchen. Enough room for a nook and everything. That makes this all super fun and easy. There was laundry here, so that's functional. So moving back down, double backing, let's see what's there. We have a dark room. Cool. I used to do a lot of this. That was fun. So you have your fix and all that stuff right here, and you push it through. And it's got ventilation and everything else. That's great. Headed to the master bedroom. So here's our bath, and got the tub that you sit in. A lot of closet space, which is great. Wow. Once again, what a cool feeling and vibe. So I love these hallways. They're just so unique. The lighting here is just amazing. That is just awesome. That's sweet. Look at that look. This is just gorgeous. All right. A game table. And this could be your TV room, hangout room. With the pool, great views, some beautiful trees. Super nice. Plenty of access outside as well here. So this is going to be your bedroom wing. You have a 3/4 bath here. Okay, so this could be 2 rooms, but right now they've got it as one big room. Well, I mean, you just don't see stuff like this. So it's pretty unique. The market continues to be absolutely crazy. There's multiple showings, multiple offers, and just not a lot of inventory. So if you're thinking of moving, talk to a local. I'm a lifelong native of Palos Verdes. I'm happy to help you and get you a great deal. Make it a great day.